Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Fit LX. It's a certified unit with 36,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. We'll make our way down the driver's side here. Everything's in good shape. Coming across the back of the vehicle, it is equipped with rear backup camera. All right, everything looked good there. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything in good shape. Really nice black in color. All right, it is an LX, 36,000 miles. We'll go ahead and take a look on the inside. Door panel's in good shape. Got the black on black with a nice trim piece coming through there. Black cloth. Alright, cloth looks good. Driver's seat looks good. It does come with 2 key fobs. Okay. Passenger seat's in great shape. No issues. It is an automatic. Okay. There's your climate controls there. Radio, CD player there. Alright, that's where your backup camera's going to be, and I'll show you that in just a second. It is equipped with steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage on here. Right, there's your shot of your mileage. It's got 36,406 miles. Alright. Radio here. So go ahead and turn that on for you. Alright. Engage the backup camera. Let me go ahead and dim that down a bit for you there. There we go. Alright, we've had the air conditioner going now for about 15 minutes. Everything blowing cold there, no problems. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Alright, door panels back here in the back seat are in good shape. Go ahead and give you a shot of the cloth back here. Everything looking good there. Alright, let's give you the driver's eye view, the dash, and the layout. Everything looking good. Give you a shot of the hatch. Let you see your storage back here. Alright, the carpet's in good shape. Stand to the side a little bit so you can see the depth there. Okay, and these seats do come down. Alright, and I'll show you how there's a latch here. All you do is pull that up. Seat goes down, no problem. Latch here on the other side. Seat goes down. Now look how much that opens it up back here. A ton of room for a little car. All right, you can get a lot in there. All right, everything looks good. Shut this down. Let's go ahead and give you another shot of the passenger seat from this side. All right, as you can see, the cloth's phenomenal shape. No problems at all. Go ahead and give you a shot of the wheels and tires. 15-inch steel wheels with the nice hubcaps on there. Brand new set of tires. Alright. And once again, this is a 2015 Honda Fit LX, 36,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. It is a certified unit. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.